Morning, YouTube. Today I'm in the Francis Marion National Forest at the Honey Hill Campground. It's a free campsite, about 8 marked sites. First come, first served, no reservations. There's a pit toilet, not much else in the way of amenities, but it is a beautiful spot. It's relatively close to Charleston, South Carolina, and about 8 miles from McClellanville. And I found it on freecampsites.net. And basically I am slowly headed north. It's that time of year. It's early April. Leaves are coming out on the trees around here. A couple of them are starting to bloom. So hopefully, judging by what's going on up in western New York right now with all the snow, hopefully I'll be chasing spring ahead of me, and by the time I get up there at the end of the month, it'll be nice out. So it's about upper 50s here today, but let me show you around the campground a little bit. First thing you notice when you pull in here is the fenced off fire tower. The bottom steps have all been taken out, but looking up and realizing that there's no floor in the actual top of the tower, I wouldn't trust any of those steps going up there. This is either they tore the floor out up there or whatnot. Sort of sad, because I used to love climbing up those things up in the Adirondacks. Instead of being torn down, they're being adopted and refurbished. Especially the one on St. Regis Mountain, which is right near my college campus, Paul Smith's. So, but look around. There's obviously some sort of Jeep club here this weekend. The people in the area are really nice. I went down into McClellanville to stop at the library. I had to print some stuff out and mentioned to a lady and her daughter who were in there getting a Harry Potter book that I needed to look around for a place to get water, because when I got here I realized I had forgotten to fill up when I was at my friend's house. So they offered me to come on over to their place, nice sweet well water, fill my tanks up. So really nice people. Nice big sites. Got a fire ring in each one. They're sort of spread out. I mean, I took this one just to be farther away from the other guys. I'm all the way across from the people that are Jeeps over there. So it's a nice place. I'm getting enough sun so the solar's working. At least in my spot, which is the other reason to pick this one. And there's a picnic table that's seen better days, but still not a bad place. So that's a short video today. I'm going to close this up. I'm going to spend another day here anyway. I'm waiting for my mail to show up down in McClellanville. And then I'll slowly work my way up the coast. I decided to go up the coast this year instead of like I came down through the mountains on the western side of the state last year. So I'm gonna go back and read some more and relax, and see you down the road, YouTube.